So employers aren't actually obliged to provide a traditional contract of employment, or what we might think of a normal contract to employees. What they are required to provide, however, is something known as Section 1 terms. And it's called Section 1 terms because it's set out in Section 1 of the Employment Rights Act 1996. And this requires employers to provide employees with a minimum amount of terms and statement of their terms from day one of their employment. Now, normally employers incorporate all of these legal terms within the contract of employment. So it is normal for employers to provide a contract to their employees from day one. Now, in the event that your employer has not provided those Section 1 minimum terms, either by way of a contract or a letter or some other document, then your rights in regards to this are fairly limited, unfortunately. If your employer continues to refuse to provide it or is just negligent in doing so, then you can ask the Employment Tribunal to make a determination of your terms of employment. It's very rare that people do this, to be honest, because honestly there's really no point in doing it. If you had another type of claim, if you brought a claim, for example, for discrimination or unfair dismissal against your employer, then you can apply for additional compensation. It's normally up to 4 weeks for your employer's failure to provide you with those Section 1 terms. Now, in the absence of anything in writing from your employer, what your terms of employment are will be defined by how you have behaved between you or what's in your offer letter. So it's about the actions that you're each taking in relation to your relationship, or anything else that may be written down either in an offer letter or an email. If you have any questions or there's something that's specifically bothering you about the lack of terms, then do get in touch. We'd be happy to chat with you.